Today we're going to be working on filling in the back side of our graphic organizer for our argument paragraph about whether or not coffee or tea is a better drink choice. Now remember, I'm using water as my mentor or model. So you can model yours after mine, but you can't copy it completely. So for each box on the back side, you are going to be, well, actually the first two boxes, you're going to be using at least 3 sentences for each one. Your first sentence is going to be your lead-off sentence, which states your reason for why you're trying to prove your point. So for my example, in my first box, I say, second, water is important to help our bodies function. That's my reason. Now I need a fact to prove it. So I'm going to take my infographic and I'm going to look at the information on the infographic and I'm going to see which spot is going to support what I'm trying to prove. So I find a thing on my infographic that supports what I want to prove, and I says an article states, or I could say the infographic shows, the stomach secretes water during digestion to help the process. This was from 2020. It was when it was updated, so it's very recent and very new. So there's my fact. I put quotation marks around it to show that it's word for word from the page that I took it from. And I'm giving credit to where it came from. Then my final sentence is my explanation or my commentary. This is where you explain why this fact is important. So I say this is important because it shows that without water, our stomach would have a more difficult time digesting. It would make it very difficult to do, so we need the water. So then I move on to my next reason, which is also going to be a factual piece of evidence. I say finally, because I need a transition word to lead into my reason, drinking water helps our memories. So now I need my fact, which I pull from my infographic again. It states a mere 2% drop in body water can trigger fuzzy short-term memory. So basically we need water in order to remember short-term things, like things that you hear in class, things that you need to quickly do. You need water for, because a 2% drop in your body water intake could impact your memory. They always say it's good to drink water before you take a test because it helps refresh and allows you to improve your memory a little bit. So before you take a test, make sure you have some nice cold water with you. Now I explain why my fact is important. Why did I include this? If we fail to drink enough water, our memories will not be as strong, which could ignite a chain reaction. If your memory is not good, you could fail in other parts of your life. So it's important that you're making sure that you are drinking your water. So it's just supporting my water argument that it's the best drink choice possible. My final box is all about my conclusion. So I need to look at my checklist here. It says restate your claim and summarize the main point of your argument. Well, if I look back to my front of my paper, my claim should be my last sentence in my introduction. So mine is water is the best drink choice for many reasons. Well, I got to say that again, but I got to do that in a way that doesn't use the exact same words. So I say, to conclude, drinking water each day helps your body. Same idea. Then it says, summarize the reasons and evidence of your argument. Water will always be the best option to drink because of the health benefits it offers. I didn't specifically state, again, water is important to help my body function. It's important for my memory, or it helps people stay hydrated during playing sports. All I said was it's the best option to drink because of the health benefits it offers. So I still give a summary of what I previously talked about, but I don't say exactly the same words that I did before. Then it says, include why people should care about your argument. So why should people bother and really do anything about drinking more water? And then include a strong concluding statement, which could be like a call to action. Go out and do this type of thing. So I say, without water, life could be more difficult, which it could be. Make a good choice and fill up with water today. So that's my call to action, my strong ending. So when I'm done with both sides of the paper, I am going to have a rough draft completed. And then come Monday, you're going to work to put it all together into an actual paragraph, either typing or handwriting. If you have questions today, raise your hand and I will come around and help you. But your goal is to get this both sides completely done by the end of the hour. Thanks.